artificial intelligence, or AI, allows machines to mimic or improve the abilities of human minds through machine learning. AI has seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, from self-driving vehicles to smart assistants. These systems learn to make decisions by analyzing large amounts of data and identifying patterns. Humans often supervise this learning process to reinforce good decisions and discourage bad ones. AI experts distinguish between strong AI and weak AI. Strong AI, also known as artificial general intelligence, can solve problems without being trained, much like humans. This type of AI is still theoretical and not yet available. Weak AI, or narrow AI, operates within a specific context, simulating human intelligence to solve narrowly defined problems, such as driving a vehicle or transcribing speech. While weak AI performs specific tasks exceptionally well, it is limited compared to human intelligence. There are 4 types of AI: reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Reactive machines can only react to the environment in front of them and do not store memories. Limited memory AI can store past data and use it to make decisions. The theory of mind AI, still theoretical, would understand emotions and thoughts to make decisions. Self-aware AI, the most advanced, would understand its existence and the emotional states of others, but this is far in the future. AI offers numerous benefits, including reducing human error and improving accuracy. AI makes decisions based on past data and algorithms, minimizing mistakes. AI also eliminates risks by performing tasks in hostile environments. It can work 24/7 without interruptions, unlike humans who need breaks. Digital assistants and chatbots enhance customer service by interacting with users and answering their questions. AI drives innovations, such as early breast cancer detection, and makes unbiased decisions, improving efficiency and productivity. Despite its advantages, AI has limitations. High development costs and the potential for job displacement are significant concerns. AI lacks creativity, relying on pre-fed data and experiences. It can make humans lazy by automating repetitive tasks, reducing the need for problem-solving. AI struggles with ethics and morality, raising concerns about uncontrollable AI in the future. Additionally, AI lacks emotions, making it difficult to replace human relationships and teamwork. AI's reliance on preloaded data means it cannot improve without manual updates. The future of AI is promising but complex. Implementing AI strategies involves high computing costs and technical infrastructure. However, advances in computing technology have made AI more accessible. The global AI market is expected to reach $1,811.8 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 37.3% from 2023 to 2030. AI can improve internal processes, predict consumer behavior, and optimize marketing efforts. Understanding the costs associated with AI, including hardware, software, and labor, is crucial for successful implementation without breaking the budget.